Next is the game screen. At the top of the game screen, a row called row hint was added. In it, a label called label hint has been added. The text of this label was typed as hint. Next, a canvas was added below the row called hint. I am not creating sprites here, but the cat and stars JPG image has been added for the canvas stage. Below the canvas, an image called imagewin.hm has been added. The rat.png image is added to this image. After that, I set visible to force in the properties of this image and hide the image. Next, another row called row answers was added. 10 labels have been added to this row and they have been renamed as label A1 to label A10. A1 to A10 was given for the text of these labels. Just as the previous image was hidden, these 10 labels are also hidden. Below the row answers row, a label called guess was added. Here the text is given as guess. Again, a row called row actions was created and a button called button replay was added to it, and an image called image correct was added. Just like the button, pictures have been provided for the image as well. Below that, 3 rows were created called row QWERTY1, row QWERTY2 and row QWERTY3. 10 labels were added to row QWERTY1 and the text for those labels were given as Q, W, E, R, T, Y, U, I, O, P in order. Also, the background color of the labels was also changed. In the same way, for row QWERTY2, 10 labels were added and for the text A, S, D, F, G, H, J, K, L letters and 2 dots were given. For row QWERTY3, 8 labels have been added in the same way as before, and for the text Z, X, C, V, B, H, M letters and comma was given. Also, the horizontal alignment of these 3 rows was arranged as space around. Okay, now we have finished designing the 2 screens. By clicking on each of these, you can see how other properties like this have been changed.